Okay, last problem out of 1.7. So a bank loaned out $11,000, part of it at the rate of 6% per year, the rest at 16% per year. If the interest received in 1 year totaled $1,000, how much was loaned at 6%? So we're going to make that same kind of chart this time. We just have the 6% and our 16%. So I'd have X that I'm loaning out at 6%, so 0.06, and this is principal rate. Time is 1, so we don't worry about that, and then interest. Now this is going to be 11,000, subtract X, and it's at 16%. Then we'd have to multiply across, so 0.06X, 0.16 times 11,000, subtract X. And then we want to know if the interest received in 1 year totaled 1,000, how much was loaned out. So we're going to add these up and make them equal to 1,000. So I have 0.06X plus 0.16 times 11,000, subtract X, equals 1,000. So this just comes down 0.06X plus, I need to know what 0.16 times 11,000 is, so 1,760, subtract 0.16X equals 1,000. Now then I'm going to combine 0.06X and negative 0.16X to get negative 0.1X. 160 equals 1,000. When we subtract our 1,760 from both sides, we're going to end up with a negative number. So we have negative 0.1X equals negative 760. Divide by negative 0.1, divide by negative 0.1. So I need negative 760 divided by negative 0.1 equals 7,600. Now, when I made out my table, I knew they were asking for how much was loaned out at 6%, so I made sure my X was at 6%. This did cause me to have the negatives down here, but now then my answer is 7,600. If you didn't do, if you had your bigger number here and they're asking for whatever your smaller one was, you're gonna have to do 1,100, subtract it. But that should help you solve that.